You're welcome, Mama Ellie. Mag-introduction mo na. Thank you, Eric. That's the cha-cha. Yes. Cha-cha song. That's cha-cha here in the Philippines. Shout out everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my live streaming, guys. And thank you so much for coming in my live stream. Welcome to my live stream, mga langga. For those who are new, please subscribe and hit the bell. And if you like to watch more videos, I have videos in my Patreon and membership. Okay, so if you like to watch that, if you are my members, you can watch my videos. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description of my channel. Hi, King Lee Vest. Everybody watch up. I'm America. How about you? I'm in the Philippines. Yes. I'm a Filipina. Good morning from the Philippines. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kingsley, for coming in my live. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you will notify anytime that I have upload video. Are you Asian? Yes, I'm a Filipina. So, yeah, a streamer. A streamer and YouTube. A Filipina beauty, a fango. It's called it fango. Are you Asian? Yes. Asian. Ano ba Asian? Filipino. I'm Filipino. I'm not Asian. I'm Asian. Okay, Asian. I'm a Filipina. Yeah. I wish that you can watch my videos, sir. And if you like to watch more, you can join in my Patreon if you uh, like. Or I have more videos in my Patreon and membership. Okay. So for those who are interested, go there. I have exclusive shower videos and other videos that I upload in my membership. I have also uncut videos, try on haul, and each and many more. Okay, so I also upload the behind the scene, which is I'm doing my vlogs in the stream, or so that is all in my Patreon and in my memberships. If you like to watch it, you can join and enjoy watching.